I'm Jeff Kloska, Product Manager for the Sprinter Division here at Keystone RV. As Keystone's very first brand, Sprinter has evolved in the years into what is now a top 10 retailing fifth wheel in the United States. As we keep our customer experience in the highest regard, we offer an array of amenities designed to make your camping experience as convenient, relaxing, and as enjoyable as possible. Sprinter's commitment to adjust with the market is our personal guarantee to make camping easy for everyone. Perhaps one of the most exciting new features for Sprinter shoppers is the ability to equip their coach with Keystone's new Solarflex energy packages. All models in the Sprinter family will ship standard with Keystone's Solarflex 200 system. Last year, when we made the change to the new lighter interiors, we experienced a great amount of success. So we've chosen to carry that into the new 2022 models as well. We have also continued to build all of our models on a 100-inch wide body frame, allowing for more room in our bedrooms, hallways, and overall open concept feel. Additionally, we have moved towards a more traditional streamlined floor plan offering, which has ultimately positioned us to be a core fifth wheel on your dealer's lots this year. This year, we introduced two new floor plans, the 31TB and the 3630 BHS. The 31TB features an atrium-style bunk room, allowing in tons of natural light. In the living space, there's a dinette that allows seating for up to 4, and theater seating that offers an ideal angle for your TV viewing. On the outside, you'll find a small kitchen with a mini fridge and griddle, and on the off-door side, you'll find a bike storage compartment. The 3630 BHS is a luxury king bed slide bunkhouse with an inside beverage center, large 30-inch microwave, and outside kitchen for campers who love to cook and travel with the whole family. Thank you for your partnership and commitment to the Sprinter brand over all these years. I'm looking forward to more success in 2022 and can't wait for what's to come.